Hello, welcome to 9096 Bensonhurst Lane, Englewood, Florida. Let me introduce you to this home. We're going to walk right in and I'm going to take you on a little tour. This can be a 3-bedroom home. County records have it listed as a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. However, it does have a den that could be a 3rd bedroom if need be. Here we walk right into the living room. We have a nice bay window here. Pleasant, light and bright colors, neutral colors. Updated kitchen, all new cabinets. Brand new stainless steel appliances. Show you the inside. Back into the living room once again. I'm going to turn full circle, show you the dining room as well. It leads right into the kitchen. This kitchen has been completely updated. Comes right into a little sitting area. You can work on homework, home business, open this door, goes right out into your Florida room. This is enclosed and screened, so you can have a choice of keeping it closed in or open it up and have the breeze blow through. Have a fire pit or could be a fire brick oven. It was originally built as a fire brick oven and then they used it as a fire pit. Little shed out back. Very large backyard, private setting here. You have a vacant lot to the side and the back of you. Newer homes in the area as well. Okay, I'm gonna walk right back in to this little nook. Again, we have the kitchen. Beautifully updated stainless steel appliances. I have a little treat I'm going to show you about the kitchen, but we haven't got to that yet. Stay with me. This is indoor laundry, so it is under air. Washer and dryer is included. Okay, I'm gonna step back. I'm here in this little nook. Come right off of the Florida room, back into the kitchen. If I were to look to my right, that is the guest master, the guest suite. So here's a little treat we have in the kitchen. This is something I've never seen anyone has ever thought of, is a nightlight. How many times do you get under there to install a garbage disposal, or you want to look at all your stuff you have under there and there's no light? And it's hard to see. So this is retrofitted with a light underneath here. You can have different colors. So if you have a certain celebration going on and you want different colors, then there you go. You're all set. So makes that nice and light and bright. There is no garbage disposal, as you can see. You can see all the plumbing there. Sink. This home has also new fixtures. Also all new door handles in the bathroom and the kitchen as well, and all the cabinets. Okay. So from the living room, we came in from outside, we came right into the living room. To the right of the living room is the master suite. To the left of the living room is the guest suite. Each has their own bathroom. This home is all tiled throughout. The master has a walk-in closet. There's a little bonus space here in front. I'm gonna see if you can see this because it's a little dark in the closet. We have to change the light. Okay, here is the vanity. I'm gonna get myself out of the mirror. With a large picture mirror, shelves, and medicine cabinet. I'm gonna go straight into the bathroom. There's your toilet, tub, and shower. Very clean. This home is move-in ready. Roof was put on in 2016. AC, I believe, in 2011. New septic tank, 2017. Actually, on the septic tank, I'm going to have to look at my paperwork and just verify that, because now I'm getting confused. This is the closet here in the guest. Has the mirror, doors. Standard closet. Takes you right into the guest bathroom. This does have a brand new vanity. New fixtures. Has shelving and medicine cabinet as well. Has a little linen closet here. There's also a linen reach-through closet in the master bath. This is the guest shower here. I want to let you know, if you have any questions about this property, you can call Misty Raines at 941-724-1989. You can also view this property on my website at mistyraines.com. It's MistyRaines.com. And you can also email me. I'm gonna go this way here. I'm gonna try to see if I can find my, there we go. You can email me at Misty Raines, MistyRaines29@gmail.com. Okay, I'm gonna take you right over here to this paperwork and we're just gonna review it. We also have a survey. Current average water bill is $30. Electric is $125. Insurance is an amazing $1,621 a year. This is not in a flood zone. Okay, pets are allowed. It's also not in a deed restricted area. And there's no HOA. Okay, age of roof is 2016. The water heater is 2018, okay? All right. Garage door was put in 2011, and a new drain field and tank, septic tank, 1,250-gallon septic tank was put in 2006. The AC is 12 years old. All these blinds, they are the upgraded thicker plastic blinds, easy to clean. They are only 3 years old. Okay. The electric panel is a square D. It's 150 amp, I believe. Okay. Also, the owners had put in years and years ago concrete culvert all on the outside from the property line in the ditch. So that is what that does for you. allows you to have better water flow. When it rains, all along for their property line there, okay, concrete culvert underneath the grass. See if these folks have a water leak, so they're getting that fixed. But they do not have a concrete culvert. You can kind of tell the difference when some folks do and some folks don't. Okay, I want to see if there's any details here that I missed. Oh, this is a huge, important deal here. All of the windows were put in 2018, permitted. They're all impact windows, PGT windows. In addition to the regular warranty on the appliances, the owners did purchase an extended 3-year warranty. So you'll find this home 9096 Bensonhurst Lane, Englewood, Florida 34224. My name is Misty Raines. You can reach me at 941-724-1989. Right here, we are just off the dining area in the kitchen. This is the den or office. Could also be a 3rd bedroom. But if you have a home business, this would be perfect for you. You can have this as a nice little office. It's air conditioned. You can open up the sliders there and have the Florida room open in the winter time. It's just fabulous with the breeze coming in. Ceiling fan blowing on you there. That looks right out to the backyard, which I'm going to go around through the kitchen to show you the backyard. Okay, this Florida room is also tiled. You don't have just a concrete floor. It's been tiled. This home is very clean. Put a little TV out here, have a nice little barbecue going. You're right out here in the backyard. Show you the AC unit right around the corner, as you notice. Yes, I'm walking on concrete, actual concrete sidewalk. Very nice. Here's the AC on the side of the home here. I want to show you this from the street view because it's a wide lot here. If you needed to, if you wanted to build back in here, this is nice and open here. It gives you opportunities to extend. Maybe you want a little workshop, you want to add a driveway, come right off the garage. There's options. If you wanted to put in a swimming pool, there's plenty of room for that. The home price, I know you're just dying to hear that. Haven't gotten to that yet. So we're at $179,900. It's less than $200,000 for this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, or 2-bedroom and a den home. The shed was also roofed at the same time as the home, so that was 2016 as well. I don't know if you can hear what I'm hearing, but it's just so peaceful. The birds, I can hear the birds chirping across the street, the neighbors across the street. So I'm just going to quickly walk you over here and show you a barbecue area. Okay. Turn it around here so you can see. Okay, thank you so much for joining me on this home tour. Please do not hesitate to call me 941-724-1989. Misty